Okay. Now the derivative of integral p dx. So derivative and integration will be cancelled. So what you will get? P. Here what you will get? Here you will get P. The derivative and integral will be cancelled. Okay. Plus this is e power integral p dx into dy by dx. See, observe this. Here, if you take common e power integral e power integral p dx, then what you will get? Dy by dx plus py. Yes or no? So what is this part? This part is nothing but the left side part. The left side part of the linear differential equation. Left side part of the linear differential equation. So to get this exact, to make it is exact, what we have to do? Multiply this with e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx. Yes. So if you multiply, what you will get? Multiply this with e power integral p dx. So e power integral p dx dy by dx plus e power integral p dx into py equal to q into e power integral p dx. ఓకేనా? ఏం చేసాం? బోత్ సైడ్ కూడా e పవర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ p dx తో మల్టిప్లై చేసాం, which is a integrating factor. ఓకేనా? The left side can be written as, the left side can be written as d by dx of, yes, d by dx of y into e power integral p dx. Yes or no? This one, the left side, this is nothing but d by dx of y into e power integral p dx. What about right side? Q into e power integral p dx. Q into e power integral p dx. Yeah. Now apply the integration at both sides, because here now it is in variable separable. These all are x terms because q is a function of x. So this is the exact form. So apply the integration on both sides. Apply the integration on both sides. If you make integration on both sides, what happen? Yeah, here integration and derivative will be cancelled, remove. So then y into e power integral p dx equal to integral q into e power integral p dx. Yeah. So since integration, you have to apply dx plus c constant. Integral constant will be there. Integral constant will be there. Yeah. So this is the solution of this linear differential equation. Okay. What is the solution of this linear differential equation? Y into e power integral p dx. What is e power integral p dx? Which is if integrating factor equal to integral q into e power integral p dx into dx plus integral constant c. Yeah. So this is the solution for this linear differential equation. I will write here. What is the solution? The solution is y into e power integral p dx, yeah, equal to integral q into e power integral p dx into dx plus c. This is the solution for this linear differential equation. Now what about the solution of this one? What about the solution of this one? What is the difference? Here dy by dx, here dx by dy. So x and y are interchange. X and y are interchange. So what is the solution? Here the solution is just to replace y with x. Okay na? Then what you will get? X e power integral p dy, because here p is the function of y, p also function of y, so there should be dy equal to integral q into e power integral p dy, yeah, into dy plus c. That's all. Yeah, if dy by dx is there, then this is the solution. Dx by dy is there, this is the solution. You have to remember this formula, it's enough. No need to remember all this process. Okay, here the main point is you have to find the if. Okay, integrating factor. If equal to, what is if? This e power integral pdx is the if. If equal to e power integral pdx. Okay, so here p dy, here p dy, here if equal to e power integral p dx. Clear? So here the main point is you have to find the integrating factor. That is the main point. Yeah. So the final, I mean the conclusion is the solution for this linear differential equation is y into e power integral pdx equal to integral q into e power integral pdx into dx plus c, where if equal to e power integral pdx. So this is the main point. You have to find if. Here the solution is this one and if is this one. Yeah. So this is the solution for linear differential equation. Okay. Any doubt? Let me know. If you have any doubt, I will explain once more. You have to remember this formula. For this formula. Okay. Now, if it is clear, we will solve some problems. Okay. What about others? Come fast. Yeah. Okay, fine. So we will give some examples. Okay, so I will give an example. So the problem is dy by dx plus 2xy by 1 plus x square equal to 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. Dy by dx plus 2xy by 1 plus x square equal to 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. So this is the problem. Yeah. Okay. Now what we have to do? First, you have to recognize this problem is in which form? dy by dx plus py equal to q, or dx by dy plus px equal to q. Okay, na? Anyway, so here dy by dx is there. So obviously you have to compare this with dy by dx plus py equal to q. Yeah. And now what about p and q? P and q are constants or functions of x only. Then only it is linear. Yeah. Okay. Linear differential equation. So what is p? Here p equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. Clear? Yeah. P means the coefficient of y. The coefficient of y. That is p. Yeah. And now what about q? So q equal to 1 by 1 plus x square whole square. This is q. So both p and q are functions of x. Is it clear? Yeah. Now what we have to do? First of all, we have to find the IF, integrating factor. Yeah, IF. So IF equal to e power integral p dx. So which equal to e power integral, what is p? 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Yep. Now this is equal to e power. What is the integral of this one? See, this is f dash x by f of x. The derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. So f dash x by f of x. Yeah. So log mod f of x. So e power log 1 plus x square. Yeah. Is it clear? Okay. Now e power log 1 plus x square. Obviously here base is there. So what is the value of this one? This is nothing but 1 plus x square. So what is IF? So IF equal to 1 plus x square. Yeah. Now what is the solution? So therefore the general solution of 1 is, this is the equation number 1. The given problem is 1. The general solution of 1 is, what is the solution? dy by dx is there. So the solution is y into IF. IF means e power integral p dx. Yeah. Integral q into IF dx plus c. This is the solution, general solution, what we discussed in theory. Yeah. Now substitute the values. What you will get? Y into, what is IF value? IF value is 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square equal to integral q. What is the q value? 1 by 1 plus x square whole square into IF 1 plus x square dx plus c. Yeah. Now here 1 plus x square term will be cancelled. 1 plus x square term will be cancelled. So left side no need to simplify. Okay, it is already simplified. Just think about the right side only. Yeah. Now this is equal to integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx plus c. So integral 1 by 1 plus x square, which is nothing but tan inverse x plus c. So y into 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse x plus c. Yeah. So this is the solution. Yeah, that's all. Okay, na? I will explain once more. First, compare the given differential equation with what we have already known, two cases now. So that is here dy by dx is there. So I am comparing this with dy by dx plus py equal to q. Write the p and q values. So they are completely in terms of x. So no problem. Yeah. Now we have to find IF. IF equal to e power integral p dx. IF equal to e power integral p dx. Yeah. So the IF value is 1 plus x square. Now what is the general solution of the differential LDE, linear differential equation? Y into IF equal to integral q into IF dx plus c. Okay. Substitute the IF value. Okay na? Left side you no need to simplify, it is already simplified. Okay na? Yeah. So right side only you have to simplify. So which is integral 1 by 1 plus x square, which is tan inverse x. Yeah, this is solution. Is it clear? Anybody, somebody? 1 plus somebody else. 1 plus x square. Yeah. What is this form? This is, yeah, this is of the form a power log x base a. A power log x base a. Logarithms. In logarithms. If these two are equal, this is the value. This is equal to x. A power log x base a. If these two are equal, the log value, what is the value? That is the value of that expression. So x. So e power log 1 plus x square. This is base a. In integration, in calculus, log means base a. So these two are equal. So 1 plus x square. Mamata, is it okay? Is it clear? Any doubt? Mamata, let me know. Is it clear or you have doubt? What about others? Quickly. It's very simple. Once recognize the linear differential equation, in total differential equation chapter, the LD is very easy. Samata, what about Samata? No response from your side? Okay, good. Clear? Mamata, you asked me doubt, but no response from your side. I explained your doubt. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Good. Yeah. Okay, I will give one more problem. Yeah. So dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to y by 2y log y, 2y log y plus y minus x, plus y minus x. Okay, y by 2y log y plus y minus x. So this is the problem. Yeah. So tell me, is it in the form of, so in which form? Actually, this is in which form? This is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q, or dx by dy plus px equal to q. In which form? So think about it. In which form? First or second? Just give me answer. This is the first case, this is the second case. Case 1 or case 2? In which form? Or neither form? This problem is in this form or in this form? Case 1 or case 2? Or neither form? I want answer from you people. Give answer. What about others? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. See, somebody. Yeah, okay. Okay, good. Good. See, somebody said case 1. How it is case 1? I don't know. Dy by dx, this is y into this one. How it is? So dy by dx py equal to q. But how can you take p from this side? P means function of x. Is it possible to separate this? No, it's not possible. Is it not? Y by something. In denominator, more terms. Numerator only single term. In denominator, more terms. Then what you have to do? You have to make reciprocal. You have to make reciprocal. Are you getting? Yeah. If you take this left side, if you take this left side, what you will get? 2y log y dy by dx plus y dy by dx minus x dy by dx equal to y. What is this first? This is linear in x. This is linear in y. Yes. See, let me know. Sorry, this is linear in y. This is linear in x. Okay. If you simplify this, you will get this one. Here, see, y dy, product of y dy. Here also product of y dy. Is it linear in y? No, it's not linear in y. Understood? Is it linear in y? If linear in y means y and dy by dx should not be make production. They should not be multiplied. Okay, na? They should not be multiplied. Okay, na? But here multiplied. So this is not linear in y. So this is not linear in y. Then obviously, then what we have to do? You have to check for case 2 whether it is linear in x or not. For that purpose, what we have to do? Just to reciprocal it. Okay, na? If you reciprocal it, what you will get? Dx by dy equal to 2y log y plus y minus x by y. Now simplify this. If you make simplify 2y log y by y, which is log y, plus y by y 1 minus x by y minus x by y. Yeah, is it clear? Now dx by dy means right side must be q. Q means what is q? Q is function of y only. Function of y only. So only y terms you have to keep right side. Remaining take to the left side. So then what will be happen? Dx by dy. Okay na? So this minus x by y plus x by y equal to this is 2 log y plus 1. Clear? Now see, now observe, this is this form dx by dy plus px. What is the p value? The p value is 1 by y. 1 by y is the p value. What is q? Q 2 log y plus 1, function of y. Yeah, it is a function of y. Clear? Okay, na? Fine. And now, what we have to do? You have to find the IF. Yeah, IF. IF equal to e power integral p dy. In this case, p dy. So e power integral. What is p? 1 by y. The coefficient of x. The coefficient of x p. That is 1 by y. So 1 by y dy. Yeah, this is equal to e power integral 1 by y dy log y. So e power here base is there. So this is y. This is y. So what is IF? Y. Now the solution is, now what is the general solution? The general solution is dx by dy. So what is the general solution? X into IF. X into IF equal to integral q into IF dy plus c. So x into y, IF value y. This is IF equal to integral. What is q? 2 log y plus 1. 2 log y plus 1 into IF value y. Yeah, dy plus c. So left side, you no need to simplify. What about right side? So this is equal to 2 integral y log y dy. Yeah, plus integral y dy plus c. So this is equal to okay. So 2 into so integral y log y. Okay na, you have to apply light eyelet method. Okay na, eyelet logarithm is first one. Okay na, so log y integral of y square by 2 minus integral log y derivative 1 by y. This is y square by 2 dy. Yeah, plus integral of y dy y square by 2 plus c. Here I am applying integration by parts uv, integral of uv. Okay na. Now this is equal to 2 into log y square by 2 minus here 1 y will be cancelled. So again y square by 10 y square by 4 plus y square by 2 plus c. So which is equal to log y into y square minus y square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus c. So this will be cancelled. So this is equal to y square log y plus c. Y square log y plus c. Yeah. Yeah. Y square log y plus c. Yeah. So xy equal to y square log y plus c. That is the solution. Is it clear? Any doubt? So here integration uv. This is uv. Log y is u, y is v. Integral uv. U integral v minus integral u dash integral v. Integration by parts formula. Okay na? I will give solution. Okay, I will give solution for this also. You don't worry. In notes, I will give solution for this problem. Just no need to write. Just look at this solution, whether it is clear or not. If you don't have any problem, we will close this session. Yeah. See here, the main point is you have to recognize the differential equation. Okay, whether it is linear differential equation or not. If it is the linear differential equation, which is linear in x or y. Okay, na? If it is linear in y in this form, linear in x in this form. Okay, na? If you observe or if you recognize the linearity, then we can find the solution easy. Okay, na? Fine. Okay. Okay. What about others? Okay, don't confuse. See, when this type of problems are when this type of problems are appear, see, in denominator more terms, than numerator. Then what you have to do? Just to make it reciprocal. Okay, na? If in denominator more terms than numerator, then reciprocal it. Then the problem becomes easy. Okay. So today morning, I sent the solution. I posted the solution in our WhatsApp group. Okay, na? If you have any doubt in those solutions, so let me know in tomorrow class. Okay, na? I will explain. I think they are simple problems. Still, if you have any doubts in those solutions, so let me know in tomorrow class. I will explain. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay, any doubt in this linear differential equation? I think you can solve the problems in your textbook. Okay, na? So exercise 8E. So in first menu you have to find the IF only. So IF means e power integral pdx or e power integral pdy according to the linear differential equation. Next second menu solve the differential equation. Okay na? So almost all problems in second menu are of the type first case. This case. Okay na? In third case, there are some problems in dx by dy form. Okay na? That is case 2. And there are two more problems which are Bernoulli's equations. Okay na? Okay, in next class we will discuss it. Yeah. Okay, so today I will send the notes regarding to this linear differential equation. Okay na? So go through that notes, and still if you have any doubt, ask me in tomorrow class. Okay na? Done. Let us close the session. So goodbye.